Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Pastor TB Joshua has passed away at the age of 57 in Lagos. Joshua was a leader and the founder of Synagogue Church of All Nations. According to the news, he died shortly after concluding a program at his church in Lagos on Saturday evening. His last moment on earth, he spent it on the service of God. This is what he was born for, life for, and died for. Prophet TB Joshua says, the greatest way to use life is to spend it on something that will outlive it. Here are Prophet Joshua's last words 3 days before he dies. Watch and pray. And his last video. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Anything that is not tested is not genuine. Why are you afraid of test? Sickness tests you, you are complaining. How do we know you are genuine? Failure tests you, you complain. How do we know you are genuine? Temptation come, you complain. How do we know you are genuine? Tell your neighbor, anything that is not tested is not genuine. So when sickness comes, it's a test to know whether you are genuine. But you keep complaining. And now I serve Jesus. I know Jesus. Why all this has happened to me? Why this setback? I don't know. I'm tired. Because of that, you will not pray again. Don't cry. Don't murmur. Don't lament. When tests come in any form, you allow tests to separate your marriage. You allow tests to destroy your business. You allow tests to destroy your health. You allow tests to destroy your life.